Welcome to the Punjab Pension Fund online portal. In your browser, please enter the website ppfp.punjab.gov.pk/login. Then click Sign Up to begin creating your account. Now add your personal information, including full name, father or husband name, mother name, gender, date of birth, national identity card number, CNIC issuance date, and CNIC expiry date. Then press the Save and Next button. Now please add your contact information. Here you will have to add your contact number, alternate or emergency contact number, email address, district, place of birth, permanent address, current address, and your postal address. Then press Save and Next button. After this, you shall receive your account credentials, that is, your username and password, in your inbox of the entered email address. Now please add your professional information. Select your department name, BPS scale, designation, and enter your date of joining, basic salary, and personal number. Then press the Save and Next button. After this, you'll have to upload your documents in high resolution, which includes your joining letter, CNIC front side and CNIC back side. Please make sure your documents are not blur, dull, or cropped. So upload your documents one by individually clicking and locating your files. Then proceed to the next level by pressing Save and Next button. Once proceeded, press the Submit button so your application is passed on to your department for review. After review by your employer, you'll receive an email notification in your inbox regarding the approval of your application. Now, sign in again to your account and change your default password. Type in your new password of your own choice and repeat entering the exact password in the Confirm Password field as well. Then click the Update button. Afterwards, you'll be headed on to your profile. Here you should click the Application Requests tab and then hit the Apply Scheme button. Now choose your fund manager's selection, scheme type, scheme name, sub-scheme option. Then press the Submit button. Upon submitting your application, it will be reviewed by your concerned pension fund manager. Once your application is approved by the pension fund manager, you'll receive the email notification regarding approval of your application, and your application status will change to Approve. So after all this, your account opening activity will be completed. Congratulations!